Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use a PlayStation 4 controller on Rocket League PC via Epic Games. First, connect your controller to your personal computer. You can use a standard USB cable for a direct, reliable connection. Alternatively, for a wireless setup, hold down the Share and PS buttons on your controller until the light bar begins to flash rapidly. Then, simply pair it through your PC's Bluetooth settings, usually found in the system tray. This initial step is crucial for your computer to recognize the device. Even though Rocket League is on Epic Games, Steam offers excellent controller support. Open Steam and add Rocket League as a non-Steam game to your library. Next, launch Steam's Big Picture mode, which provides a more controller-friendly interface. From there, navigate to the controller settings and ensure PlayStation configuration support is enabled. This powerful feature allows Steam to translate your PS4 controller inputs seamlessly, providing a consistent and customizable experience across many titles, including Rocket League. Now that your controller is recognized, launch Rocket League directly through Steam to ensure Steam input is fully active. Once in the game, head over to the Options menu and then select Controls. Here, you can fine-tune various settings to match your playstyle. Adjust the controller dead zone, which is the amount of stick movement before input is registered, and tweak sensitivity for precise movements. You can also remap buttons to your preferred layout, giving you complete control over your car's actions. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your PlayStation 4 controller's firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity problems. Also, close any other applications that might be trying to use controller input, as they can create conflicts. For the most stable and lowest latency experience, especially in competitive play, consider using a wired USB connection. This eliminates potential wireless interference and provides a consistent, 100% reliable input, ensuring your commands are always registered instantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.